What's up guys, it's your boy John and we're just gonna do a quick install on the Model Y. Now look at that, look at those beautiful door sills that are illuminated. I'll show you how to install them real quick. So I did the fronts already, rears are just the same. You just stick on the door sill itself. There are two double-sided tape. 1, 2, peel them and stick them. After you do that, I'll show you how to do the magnet part because these are battery operated. You just put it right on top and close the door. It's very simple. Finish the install on the door sills, so I'm gonna just go over it real quick. Check it out. So these are in, they look amazing. Ooh, they're super bright right now. Maybe I can make it look like more true to life, question mark. They're more like that. They're super sharp. And it was very easy to install. You can also get the Tesla projector right here too, which is something you might want to consider. The back, I have just a regular light, and it looks amazing. Now, if you guys are really interested in this product, I'll leave the links down below. It's very easy to install, literally 2 double-sided tape and like a magnet. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.